Hi, now welcome to the assignment number 4, problem 7. Find the leaders of the array. So, what it means, the given array is 16, 17, 14. Sorry, this is the given array. In this, if the let's take for example 17, if the right side of this element all the elements right side of this 17 elements is less than this element, I mean it is greater than all the elements that comes right side of this element. Now 17 we call it as a leader for these all elements, and by traversing this we can see here 5 is the leader, and the default the last element of the array is also leader because there are no next any elements, because this is the leader for the remaining array even though if there is no array. For this array the output is 17, 5, 2 are the leaders of this array. So to implement this solution we can use two approaches. The first one is we can use two for loops. Inside we can use the two loops we can use two for loops. By using the two for loops, what we can do is first we take the ith value, and this ith value iteration I will the j will become start from the in the inside of the loop. One more loop we are waiting by using the iteration j. If it will, the ith value will compare all the elements from the right side. If any element is if the ith value is greater than all elements, then it will become the leader. But here it has to compare each and every element again, then it will decrement. So here we are taking two for loops, so the time complexity is order of n square, which is not efficient. What we can do is we can do in another method. For this what we have, for example, if we take these elements, 8 is the this array maximum number of the maximum element is 5. So for this letter, if we compare, we don't have to compare the entire elements. The 8 is, if the 8 is greater than the maximum of the the maximum of this array, then we call it as 8 is the leader for this entire array. Like that, now by using this for method, maximum from right method, we can do this. What we do here is, here we take we are coming from the back side of the array. Like every time first we declare the n minus 1 element is the maximum maximum from the right is the leader of the array, is one of the leader of the array, and we compare this with remaining elements. So we traverse only one time from left to right to left. So by using this method we can we traverse only one time. The order of the time complexity will be order of n, which is very efficient, and we'll see the code for this. And here it is the code, and we'll try to implement this. See, for example, by taking this array, we are taking mfr variable, which is maximum which is the this array of n minus 1, which is 2. mfr is equal to 2. Then array of n minus 1. Then what we do means we begin with for loop, and here the I is equal to, it start from the n minus 2. It start from here, I value is n minus 2. Then we check I is greater than or equal to 0. Then yes, it is. So then it will begin the loop. It checks if array of I is greater than MFR. Yes, if the condition is true, then we call 5 is the leader of the array, and now we assign this 5 as MFR, and it is one of, and we call it as 5 and 2. And then again we check the iteration number 4. That now it is become minus minus, it comes here. I value is 3. So is 3 a maximum of, is 3 is the greater than 5? No. Again it will go to here. The 4th is 5 greater than 5? No. Again it will array iteration comes here, and it checks again. 17 is greater than 5. Yes. Then again it will print 17 is the leader of this array. Then again it comes here, iteration minus minus, and it comes here. So here it checks again. Is 16 is the greater than 17? No. So we are saving these numbers, and now it is 0. Now it is 0, that this condition is true. Then it will come out of the loop. So here for this entire array, what are the leaders? 17, 5, 2. So this is my approach to solve this problem. The test cases are array length should not be the 0, and array should not be the null. The time complexity is O of n, because we used only one for loop, and it is traversing back from the right to left only one time. Yeah. Thank you.